Well, the tower frontage has been covered over for quite some while here with these big advertising hoardings which have covered the front of the main building here for about the last 3 or 4 years. But it's all starting to come down now and reveal some of the beautiful brickwork that was hidden behind it, which has been going vast restoration for the past 2 or 3 years. We're in June 2014 and all the advertising boarding is coming down at the front of the tower building now, where the workmen have been building behind it and restoring all the intricate windows in the original building back to its former glory here. The building opened to the public on May the 14th, 1894. The admission then was 6p to go in the building and 6p to go up the lift. Well, there's still a lot of work to do on the tower building. All the steel structure is being completely replaced in many cases. But when it's all complete, which won't be very long now, it will really be back to the splendid building it was when it was very first built. So all the original brickwork, over 5 million bricks to build this building, are being restored, and the entrance to the building is all being put back to its original state.